Assalamualaikum viewers, hope so you will be fine. I am Juliana Osman Machani and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So before starting this video, I would like to make a request that don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on daily basis and do exercise of this grammar, because doing exercise is very necessary element for learning English. So we were doing active voice and passive voice, and we have completed our present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense. Now we will do future indefinite tense. And as I have told you earlier that that the sentences are divided into 4 categories. First affirmative, then negative, then interrogative, and at the last negative and interrogative sentence will be joined together. Alright, so today the future indefinite tense, but of active voice and passive voice, but we will do affirmative sentences. So the formula is before this, and this formula deals with simple structure of sentence, or we can call it tenses. This is the formula of tenses. So the first future indefinite tense structure is subject, will, verb first form, then object, and at the last you have to insert full stop. Alright, इसका मतलब है the sound will be produced ga, gi and ge. So the sentences of future indefinite but in simple structure, that she will wash his shirt, यानी कि वो उसकी शर्ट धोएगी. They will watch the drama, वो ड्रामा देखेंगे. We will write a letter, हम खत लिखेंगे. I will switch on the button of the fan, यानी कि मैं पंखे का जो बटन है वो जलाऊंगी, या जलाऊंगी से यहाँ मुराद बर्न नहीं है, बट इट मीन्स ऑपरेट, यानी कि मैं बटन चलाऊंगी ताकि जो है पंखा चल सके. So I will, अच्छा ये this sentence can be in this form also. I will switch the button on. I will switch the button on. इस तरह भी हो सकता है, but for you that you don't be confused, that is why I have written this sentence in simple way. I will switch on the button of the fan. Then at the last full stop. The fifth sentence is you will drive the car, यानी कि तुम गाड़ी चलाओगे. So these are tenses. These sentences deal with future indefinite tense. Now we will convert these sentences into future indefinite tense, but the formula will be this: object will be, verb third form, by, and subjective pronoun. Alright, these sentences are affirmative. Affirmative means positive sentences, means those sentences in which we neither deny nor we ask question. So that is why we call it positive sentences. She will wash his shirt. So how I will convert it in passive voice? First of all, in passive voice we have to write object first, but in simple tense we have to write subject first. So the difference between active voice and passive voice is that in active voice and we write subject first, and in passive voice we write object first. It means the all emphasis is done in passive voice on object and verb, but in tenses all emphasis is done on subject. So this is the main difference. I explain you this difference so as you can differentiate between active voice and passive voice. So she will wash his shirt. How I will convert it? First of all, I will write here object. Then what is object? Object is shirt. But you have to write these both words. his is indirect object and shirt is object. So his shirt, I will write here first. His shirt has been chosen here as object. Then will is helping verb. His shirt will, and be is auxiliary verb. His shirt will be will come according to formula, and later on you have to apply verb third form, and you have to search that what verb has been used in this sentence. So you can see here that the verb is wash. His shirt will be washed. Must remember one thing, that in passive voice we write only verb third form, but in tenses we change the form of verb. Okay, but in passive voice you have to be constant, that you have to only use verb third form. You will never use any other form of the verb. So his shirt will be washed. Then according to formula you have to apply by. Then subjective pronoun will be subjective pronoun. How I will search here? By subject. This is she, then she will be converted into her. So his shirt will be washed by her. Then at the last you have to insert full stop, because this is the part of the punctuation. As this is not interrogative sentence, that is why I will not insert here interrogative. This is positive sentence, this is affirmative sentence, that is why I have to insert here full stop. So don't forget this rule. The second sentence says they will watch the drama. Alright, so the drama is object. As in passive voice you have to follow the formula. So the drama is object, that is why you will write here first the drama. Alright, the drama then will be according to formula. The drama will be, then verb third form. Let's go to our sentence. Then verb third form, we have to find out the verb. So the verb is watched and the third form is watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D. E-D will be added in this verb. Watch and watched is second and third form. But you have to apply third form, that is why I am concentrating on third form of the verb, though the second form of the verb is also same. The drama will be watched. Then according to formula you have to apply by. Then subjective pronoun, you have to move towards subject, and the subject is they, and they will be converted into them. So the drama will be watched by them. Alright. So let's go to third sentence. We will write a letter. We will write a letter. So our letter is object. Alright. Then will be according to formula. Okay, what is verb here? Write, and the third form of the write is written. Then verb third form. A letter will be written. According to formula you have to apply by. Alright, and we will be converted into us, because this is subjective pronoun. So us will be written here at the place of we. Alright, so let's come to our fourth sentence. I will switch on the button of the fan. So the button of the fan, all this will be taken as object. So the button of the fan then will be according to formula. Here switch on, switch has been used here here as a verb. And the third form of switch is switched. S-W-I-T C-H-E-D. Switched on. By will come according to formula. Then what is your subject? I. I will be converted into me. Alright. Let's come to last sentence. Last but not the least. You will drive the car. The car is object. The car will be according to formula. Then you have to find out the verb. Verb third form. The car will be driven by according to formula. And you will remain here same because the subjective pronoun is also you. Alright. So these were 5 sentences which I made you understand about affirmative sentences of the future indefinite. And now we will do negative sentences of the same future indefinite but in passive voice. Alright. So now we will do negative sentences. The formula is before you, and this formula deals with tenses, and this formula deals with passive voice. We will do same sentences but of negative. Alright, and you know very well that negative sentences means that sentence in which we deny from anything. ठीक है, जिसमें इनकार किया जाता है. This is called negative. So she will not wash his shirt. वो उसकी शर्ट नहीं धोएगी. So how I will convert it in passive voice? The object is same, his shirt. So I am writing here his shirt. His shirt. Then will not be. Will not be. Will come according to formula. Then verb third form is washed. Wash is third form. And by. Then subjective pronoun is of she is her. So how I will read the sentence? His shirt will not be washed by her. कि वो उसकी शर्ट नहीं धोएगी. ठीक है. Let's come to second sentence. They will not watch the drama. The drama is object. Will not be will come according to formula. Will not be. Watched. Watch is first form of the verb and the third form of the verb is watched. Then by. Then they will be converted into them because the subjective pronoun is pronoun of they is them. Achha, they will not be watched. W-A-T-C-H-E-D. Let's come to third sentence. We will not write a letter. हम letter नहीं लिखेंगे. So our letter is object. Alright. Our letter is object. Will not be will be written here as same as written in formula. Will not be. Alright. So write will be the third form of write is written. A letter will not be written. By will come here according to formula because this is the part of passive voice, and we will be converted into us because this is a subject pronoun. So let's come to fourth sentence. Still you have to insert full stop because in negative sentences we also insert full stop like affirmative sentences. Only interrogative sentence, only in interrogative sentences we will insert the question mark. I will not switch on the button of the fan. The button of the fan is object. All these words will be taken as object. So the object is the button of the fan. Then will not be will come here as same as written in formula. Will not be. Switch on has been used here as a verb, so switched on, S-W-I-T-C-H-E-D, switched on. By just according to formula and subjective pronoun, subject, what is subject? I will be converted into me. Subjective pronoun हो गया. Let's come to fifth sentence. You will not drive the car. The car is object. Will not be according to formula, and the drive third form is driven, first form is drive, second form is drove, D-R-O-V-E, and the third form is driven, D-R-I-V-E-N, and you have to insert driven because you have to apply here verb third form. The car will not be driven by according to formula, and you will remain same. Subjective pronoun, you is same. So these were 5 sentences. So today we have done affirmative and negative sentences of future indefinite tense. I have told you the sentences of simple tenses. Then I have converted them into passive voice. Formula is written here. There are 5 examples which I gave in my each video. All videos I have made 5 sentences. So I hope so by these examples you understand very well. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos fully and learn on a daily basis. And keep your exercise on about grammar because this is very necessary. तो तब तक के लिए आप जिवियाना उस्मान को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.